Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to build the Ocean Mini Submarine. This is set number 60263 by Lego. It contains 41 pieces. Let's go ahead and open the box and see what's inside. Looks like we have one bag of parts, 3 pieces on the side, a little instruction manual, and looks like a coupon for a ticket to Legoland. Here's what the instructions look like. Let's go ahead and start the build. Here's a quick look at the minifig that comes with this set. Got a nice seat belt kind of across his chest there for riding the submarine. There's the back side of the minifig. Anyway, let's go ahead and take a look at the submarine. So here is the Lego Ocean Mini-Submarine, fully built. Comes with a cool looking hammerhead shark there, a little treasure chest with a couple of gemstones, I guess, to go in it. The arms of the mini sub are posable, and the front door of the sub does open up so you can get the minifig in and out. The main part of the sub is one major part, the yellow piece, and the top of it is pretty much all that's brick built along with the arms on it. The little propellers on the back do spin. It's a cool little build. The main purpose that I got it for was I wanted to have the hammerhead shark, and it was the cheapest kit to get it in. Trying to collect a few different sharks for my collection anyway. I have been eyeballing another one of their submarine sets that has a anglerfish in it. It's only like 40 bucks for that one. I might get it. We'll see. Either that or I'll buy the anglerfish on the side at some point from eBay or Bricklink. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, subscribe, share with your friends, and as always, have a wonderful day.